Hello and welcome. Today I am collaging in my Christmas journal again, and I am still using Barbara's December Daily Collaging Prompts. And you can find these prompts at 49 Dragonflies YouTube channel, and she has a place where you can download them. And it's still not too late, even though we're getting later in the month. It's still never too late to jump in and get started on them. I was too busy at the beginning of the month to work on them, and so I've just jumped in and started working on some collaging here at the closer to the end of the month, but I'm trying to at least collage every other day, if not every day. For this collage, I am going to be doing the one where you use a bird as a focal point. So I am doing prompts number 8, use a bird as your focal point. And so I have some of these that I had used to make a mixed media piece, and I printed out several. And so I have some of these left over, so that's what I'm going to be using for my focal point today. Let me find a clip so I can hold some of this out of the way some. Okay, so I'm just going to be collaging on this small little red piece here. And I'm going to pull out my box of scraps and Christmas doodads and see what all I want to use. And I kind of have in mind how I want to do this. I do know I want to use these little things that go in a smash book. I have those here. And a stamp. Let's see here. See if I can get it where you can see as well. Okay, so let me see what all's in here. That red piece. Get some tea-dyed paper. Let me see here. Some of those might work in there. Work on it. And here's some stickers. Let's just see what we can do with all of this first. And then we can always pull some more out if I want some more. Okay, let's see here. So we have, I found this little piece too. That may work. Now I'm going to have a bigger piece. So let me tear out this bird first and see how big it is when I get through, so I can kind of get an idea of what size the layer underneath it needs to be. And I just printed this out on some just regular copy paper. And like I said, it was leftovers from a project that I had, a mixed media piece that I had made before. And you can look on my channel for that video. It is on there. Okay, let me see here. Do I like the shape of it? Let's see. That's pretty good. So I want to put this piece underneath here. I think I'm just going to tear it as well. So let me use this piece as a guide how I want to tear it. And this is just some copy paper that I tea stained myself several weeks ago, and I just tried, when I stained, I tried to stain a bunch of pieces at one time so that I had some to use for projects and didn't have to stop and dye more. That may be a little too big there. Let's see. I'm gonna have to tear it down some more. I'll save all those pieces because I will use them in other projects and collages. Let me see here. Just tear it right here. So let's take a look here and see if that's going to fit. Yep, that will fit right there. And then I'm just going to layer this on top. I do want that sticking out though, so maybe I will turn it over. Maybe like that. Let's see. Kind of want that at the top there. And this, maybe like that. Okay, let's see. And maybe the flower can go right there. Stamp. Okay, let's start gluing it down and see what we can do with it. Let's start with our start glue our tea dyed paper down first. Then we'll add our other layers. Let's see where I want that before it dries. Make sure I got it on there right. And I don't think I want to tear this one up. For some reason I want to leave this one just like it is, just a little cut piece that's got nice edges on it. I don't want to have torn edges for some reason. I'm going to leave it like it is, and I should have darkened those edges before I glued it down, but that'll be okay. It already has some in the print of the paper, like the edges have been darkened. And then, where do I want him again? Do I want to layer him like that and have all three edges sticking out? I think so. There's a lot of prompts on the December Daily, so it gives you some ideas of things that you can do in your journal or in your junk journal, or if you're using a different type of journal. And they're a lot of fun to try and see what you can come up with. And like I said, it's not too late. You still have several more days. You could do more. You could do some this month. And a lot of the prompts, they really don't, I don't think a lot of them pertain to just Christmas. You could use them. Yeah, a lot of these prompts you could just use throughout the next month as well if you don't have time to work on them all of them this month. Just getting started and doing something, just taking some time to craft and collage, and it's just collaging like this can be a quick little project and helps you to relax and have a good day. Let me see where my sponge and ink pad, I want to ink this one right here because it's just so stark white. I don't want to add it to the page like it is. Put a piece of lint on there. So I'm just going to darken the edges and kind of, I'm going in over top of the stamp some so that it gets some of that, just the stark white off of it so it blends in with the rest of the images. I like that better. And I should have done the edges of this flower. So I'm just going to go and rub them now and just darken the edges some. And maybe this page too before I glue any more down. Go ahead and darken those edges. I should have done it before, but this is working just fine. Okay, so then I think I'm going to add this. Maybe like that. And this stamp is another one that I used some the other day. I think I had Santa Claus on it or something, but this one is still from that same sheet that I downloaded for free and cut out, and I just used a pair of decorative edge scissors to cut it out so that it had like the edges of a stamp. But if you didn't have the scissors, you could just have torn edges or just have just cut it out with regular scissors or paper cutter. But these stamps, I really have liked them. They're throughout my whole journal because I love the sheet of them. And I got this one, like I said last time, it was a free download from the Graphics Fairy. And so they have really come in handy. Let me see here. Now I want to use this on there. I like the colors. I think that matches good. And do I want it to... Maybe I want to raise this up just a little and just slide it up under there. Not sure yet. So yeah, I'm gonna put some glue on that. It's just, it's got a little sticky spot here. It's kind of like a little post-it note where they are. It came with a smash book that I had years ago, and so I still had all these left over. So just want to put that there. And then I think I'm going to, let me see. I had some washi tape on my table. Let me see if I can find it. See what this looks like, this piece up here. I thought I'd put, there's some wording here. It says, "This is my favorite thing," but I don't really want that wording on here, so I think I'm going to just cover it up with some of this washi tape. And just see how that's going to look though before I do it. Yeah, I like that. So let me I'll lay it down. I do want to we'll have to cut it, and I am going to glue it down because some of this washi tape comes loose really easily. So just add just a little glue on the back of it. Slide it up under there. Let me see here. Don't think I want it to stick out past, so let me just cut it off right there. And then smooth it down. There we go. So I think that looks good. And I've got some other color washi. Let me see here. I've got this one stuck to me. And maybe putting some right here would be cute. Let's see how that looks. That kind of blends in. It doesn't show up, does it? Let me put some glue there. I made that come loose where I pulled it back. Okay, got some glue on my hands now. So let's see, how would this look if I put it, I don't think I want that one up there. Let me save that for just a second. And I've got some green. Let's try the green down here. Let's see how it looks. Thinking maybe here, and then let me see how this looks to add another little piece of green tape. Maybe too much green in one spot. Let me see. Kind of just want to add some washi tape. I actually think one of the prompts actually may have something on here about adding washi tape. And since I'm so late in the game, it might be good that I do more than one thing at a time. I don't know. Maybe I dreamed that up. I don't see it on here right now, but I was thinking it was on here. But I think it'd be neat to add some here to see. I do love using washi tape, but I hadn't used any in my journal, so I thought that might be neat to try. How does that look? That's the good thing about washi tape. You can easily pull it off if you don't like it. And I do have a little bit of red here. Let's see what this red one would do. Maybe it's so wide, it may be too wide for any of the spots. I think it is. Let me see. Let me find my sponge. I was going to darken some more edges. Oh, here it is. Just want to run up and down through this. I didn't darken that before I put it down. And let me see if I want to add anything else on this page. I just feel like it needs something right here, but I haven't figured out what it is that it needs. Oh, I got some stickers here. Let's see if we can find anything in the sticker book that I could use right there. I just feel like something's missing. So we got the thing here, the sentiment that already says Merry Christmas, so I don't want to put any more wording on it. Let me see here. Wonder if this little to from tag would look cute. I have got glue all over my fingers and I'm pulling it off with this. Let's see, maybe right in here. Could do a to from tag. That doesn't match with the flower, so let's take this instead. Maybe we'll put some holly up here. Kind of like that there. And I like these little red snowflakes. Maybe just adding a few of these snowflakes around would be cute. Let's see if there's anything else I want to put on that page. don't think. Now the only thing I'm not liking is really this. Let me take that back off and see. What if we put instead the snowflake up here? And maybe I grab one more snowflake, and let me put this back in here where I got it from. And then I grab one more snowflake and add it on the page. This is a really small one, but let's see how that looks. Well, I like that. I do like that. I'm wondering, good thing about stickers, you can easily move them. What if I covered the two from? No, I like that. Okay, so that's it looks pretty good, I think. Let me see if I can get this washi tape up. It's got a little wrinkle and it's going to drive me crazy, I think. So let me pull that up, just press it back down. So that collage went pretty quick. That was a pretty quick but cute little collage. I love that. I love this image of the bird, and I can link below where I got it from if I do remember when I upload the video. It did come off of Creative Fabrica, and the link that I'll give you is my affiliate link, and it doesn't cost you any extra to use my affiliate link. It just it will help me out if you order from it. It gives me just a little bit and helps out my channel. And I had this one minute. I had this laid out as well. What did I have anything in here that I wanted to put? May not need anything else. I'm not sure what I was thinking for this one. Maybe that. I think it looks good like it is, so I don't think I'm going to add any more. I think I like it just like it is. So I'm going to leave it like that. And I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this collage. And if you do like it, please hit like on the underneath the video. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, be sure to hit the subscribe and then click the bell so that you're notified each time that I upload a new video. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and bye.